In the heart of the 1960s, a quiet transformation was brewing in the world of science. The air was thick with the scent of change, both literally and figuratively, as a new understanding of the Earth's climate began to take root. Silo City, Nebraska, was the birthplace of a revolutionary idea. A team of scientists, led by Roger Revelle and Charles Keeling, had been monitoring the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Their groundbreaking research at the Mauna Loa Observatory in Hawaii had revealed an alarming trend. The levels of CO2 were steadily rising. This revelation was like a storm warning bell in the calm sea of scientific ignorance. The world was unaware of the environmental crisis that was looming on the horizon. The scientists' findings were met with skepticism and dismissal, but the team persevered, determined to spread the word. In 1965, Revelle and Keeling published their findings in the journal Science, igniting a fire of curiosity among their peers. The scientific community was intrigued, and the debate over climate change began to heat up. The first to take notice was Rachel Carson, a marine biologist and author of the influential book Silent Spring. Carson, who had already sounded the alarm on the dangers of pesticides, saw a parallel in the threat of climate change. She began to write a new book, The Silent Spring of the Atmosphere, to warn the world of the impending crisis. As Carson's book gained traction, the public began to take notice. The 1960s, a decade marked by social and political upheaval, was not immune to the call for environmental change. The first Earth Day was held in 1970, a catalyst for the modern environmental movement. The green wave had begun. The world was waking up to the reality of climate change, and the seeds of change had been sown. The road ahead was long and arduous, but the green wave was unstoppable. The awareness of climate change had been ignited, and it would never be extinguished. The story of climate change awareness is a testament to the power of science, persistence, and the human spirit. It serves as a reminder that every action, no matter how small, can have a ripple effect that can change the course of history. The green wave continues to grow, and the fight for a sustainable future is far from over. But with every new day, we move one step closer to a greener world.